In today's video, I am going to teach you how to schedule Reels using Hootsuite. Scheduling your content in advance can save a lot of time, and it helps you stay consistent with your posting. In this tutorial, we will go through the simple flow inside Hootsuite, from opening the app to picking the exact date and time. First, open Hootsuite. When you open it, you should see your main dashboard or home screen. Take a moment to make sure you are signed in and that you can access the part of the interface where you create new posts. If you have multiple social profiles connected, you might also see them listed somewhere on the screen. This is just to help you orient yourself before we start creating anything. Next, click Create. This is usually the button or menu option that starts the process of composing a new post. Once you click it, the interface may show options for what kind of post you want to make, such as a social post or a reel, depending on what platforms you have enabled. The goal here is to begin a new post so Hootsuite can guide you through selecting the account and content details. After that, select your social account. This step matters because your reel needs to be posted to a specific profile. Look for the account list and choose the one where you want the reel to appear. If you manage multiple brands or pages, selecting the correct one is essential since the scheduling time will only apply to the selected destination. Then create your post. In this step, you will add your reel content and any required details, so the post is ready to go out later. Depending on your setup, you may be prompted to upload the media, choose or confirm the reel format, and add a caption. Add the information you want people to see, and make sure it looks right before moving forward. This is the moment to do a quick check so there are no surprises when the scheduled time arrives. Once your post is created, click Schedule for later. This option changes how Hootsuite handles the posting action. Instead of publishing right away, it will save the post and set it up to go out automatically at your chosen time. You may notice that the interface updates and shows scheduling fields, which is how you know you have selected the scheduling path correctly. Finally, choose the date and time. Look for the scheduling picker, calendar, or time selector. Select the date you want your reel to publish, and then set the time down to the level required by the interface. Make sure you also pay attention to the time zone shown in Hootsuite, since that affects when your content will appear. After choosing the date and time, review the scheduling summary if one is shown just to confirm everything matches what you intended. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know for scheduling Reels using Hootsuite, from opening the platform to selecting your exact publish date and time.